Hello everyone, my name is Toby and you're watching DiecastNZ. Today I received my first mail find. This was a trade box from Liam's Hot Wheels NZ. A link to him will be at the end of this video, in the description, and probably in the comment section if he chooses to comment, which he probably will. So, I haven't opened this yet. I've been told that it is some Hot Wheels customs, so let's have a look at this box. And no matter how hard you try, you'll never be able to get my address out of there because, yeah, it's pretty scribbled out. But if you can, don't send me anything unless I've discussed it with you. Okay, this is pretty stuck. Okay, here we go. Alright, first off, there's quite a few cars in here. Oh wow, look at that. Wow, look at this. This is the Nissan Skyline I can't remember the name of this. I've got this car, I'll just lower the camera, but man, I've got this car carded, but whoa, this looks so cool. Thanks, Liam. This has real riders on it. Look at the detail on the bottom there. Liam is very good at making custom, so go and check over on his channel so you can see his channel. So, awesome. It's got the graphics on the side. It says Williams on the front, which is kind of like, I guess, the thing he likes to do to his customs. It's very awesome. Look at that front detail. The chrome pen. Thanks, Liam. That's an awesome custom there. Just tilt this camera up a bit. Next car in the box. Oh, looks like this one's base is missing. Alright, I'll just put this thing together. He said he would send me some that I could paint or do myself, so I guess this will be one of them. Alright, so we have a Toyota Supra. Does it have any other parts? No. So it's a Toyota Supra. I've been looking actually for a Toyota Supra to do. This one looks really cool as well. I guess I could put some wheels on it. I've got lots of spare wheels lying around, so I could do that. JDM as, yeah, that's nice. Awesome deco on there, Liam. Alright, next we have this 56 Ford truck. Awesome. I've got the other paint scheme of this one loose, and I was actually looking for one of these to have loose, so thank you very much for that. I guess I could do a custom on this one. I'll have a look later. Oh, look at this one. Here we have a 1995 Mazda RX-7 in gold. Look at that thing. That looks really awesome. Thanks, Liam. Look at the wheels, look really awesome, like like Mad Mike's style. You've got to tell me how you keep the tampos on when you repaint it, because I might want to try that with my customs. So that's really awesome. Thanks so much. Next, we have a Ferrari 458. Now, I don't have any Ferraris in my collection because they were discontinued before I started collecting, so thanks so much for this. I've been wanting to get some Ferraris, and now I've got one. Awesome. Here we have another Ferrari 458, so I can have a pair of them. That is really awesome. Thank you so much for that. I do appreciate it. And then next, we have a really blimmin' awesome looking Volkswagen T2 pickup. Look at this. Whoa, thanks for this one. That's awesome. Looks like it's unriveted as well. Yep, so yeah, I could do a wheel swap on that at some point. The interior's got a bit of detail on it. Awesome. Thanks for that one. It's in a nice gold colour, similar to the RX-7 there. Awesome, and there are a variety of blisters. Here's one from a Skyjacker Skyjacker's Dodge truck. Here's one from an AMG GT. This was just to protect the cars. And one from a caper racer. Oh, and here's one that he told me he would be sending me. It's really awesome custom, this one. The 56 Ford truck custom. So this one's in a really nice gold colour. Been painted and detailed by Liam. That's really awesome. Thank you for that. Yeah, it looks good in the video and it looks even better in person. That's really cool. Oh, and here we have another car that was featured on his channel in one of his videos. This Nissan Skyline, the 82 Nissan Skyline R30 that he painted black. Wow, that's really cool. You did a very good job on this one, Liam. Wow, look at that. Yeah. Awesome. Anything else in there? No, just there's another blister there. Awesome. There we have all of the cars. How many did he send me? Wow, you didn't need to send me this many cars, but I'm glad that you did, Liam. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoa, that's a lot of cars. So, we have Ferrari 458 in red. It's from an Exotics 5-pack, I think. Then we have his custom 56 Ford truck. His custom, Liam's custom Nissan Skyline R30. That's a really mean looking car there. Liam's custom VW bus, well, VW pickup, the combi thing. The pickup. And Liam's custom RX-7. I might actually do a detailed job on this one. It'll make it pop. Might put some real riders on it too. Yeah, it's unriveted. That would be nice. And then the one with real riders already on it. It's from the Modern Classics Mercedes. Looks really good on this car. I love the blue. Nice side deco there. Hand drawn. There we go. And then we have a custom. The Toyota Supra. I've been looking for this casting for a long time to do a custom of, so now I've got one. And then another 56 Ford truck. And another 458. This was in a review of his, I think. So that is awesome. Thank you very much to Liam for sending these cars to me. Go over to his channel right now and click the subscribe button and click the notification bell, because he is an awesome guy and a very good Hot Wheels YouTuber. So go check his channel out. And if you want to see what I sent him, go over to his channel or wait till the end of this video and click the video link at the end of the video or in the description. So, once again, thank you very much to Liam for sending me these cars, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.